UAP AI Lab Full Tutorial. Welcome to UAP AI Lab. This tutorial moves slowly so you can see the live product and understand what the first screen is offering. First, look at the top of the page. The headline, primary action, and opening content tell you what this app is meant to do. Next, we move down slowly. This section usually shows the core workflow, features, proof, or the product interface customers will use. Now we continue to the lower part of the page. Watch for forms, output panels, examples, pricing, or the next step a customer should take. That is the complete first pass walkthrough for UAP AI Lab. The route past the latest health gate, and ILLCO Command keeps it available for reviewed setup and customer access. End of tutorial.